It's been 10 years since Professor Noodleflicker caught me in Africa and put me in this cage. I wonder where he is. Sure like to see that jerk again. That's not him. Noodle!
The National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Champaign County until 9:45 a.m. At 9 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 20 miles west of Champaign or 12 miles east of Clinton, moving east at 45 miles per hour. This is a destructive storm for Champaign and Urbana. Expected hazards include 90 miles per hour wind gusts and ping-pong ball-sized hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. You are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be heavily damaged or destroyed. Homes and businesses will have substantial roof and window damage. Expect extensive tree damage and power outages. Locations impacted include Boneville, Monticello, Philo, Savoy, Urbana, Mahomet, Willard Airport, Champaign, Galesville, Lodge, Seymour, Whiteheath, Tolono, and Lake of the Woods. This is an extremely dangerous situation with tornado-like wind speeds expected. Mobile homes and high-profile vehicles are especially susceptible to winds of this magnitude and may be overturned. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The storm has the potential to cause serious injury and significant property damage.
Feels good to get some fresh air after my appendix surgery. Ouch.